Let's talk about playing your own melodies on the piano and using melodies to channel emotions to help you heal. The first step is to pick your key. We're going to do the key of G major. Now, since we know what notes are inside of this key, we can play around with the order of the notes and make music out of that. But if we just play random notes, we're never really channeling any specific emotion. And as a result, we'll probably not feel very fulfilled after playing the music. That's why it's really important to understand how melodies work. If you want to create a feeling of peace and of happiness, then you may be interested in using chord melodies. A chord melody is an arpeggio that's made to convey a specific message or a specific type of emotion. So for example, you may find that the arpeggio moves up more when it's trying to feel happy, or maybe the arpeggio moves down more when it's trying to convey a more sad feeling out of it. The rhythm of these chord melodies also affect the emotions. If we play faster, then it's going to feel like it has more energy, and then it's going to feel more powerful and more electric, right? But if we play slower, it may feel a little bit sadder, or maybe it will feel just a little bit more peaceful, more chillaxed, more laid back, right? Volume also makes a difference too. When we play really quiet, sometimes it feels like we're saying a secret, or maybe it's suspenseful, or makes us really listen out for something. Maybe it feels a little bit cute, a little bit dainty, right? A little bit petite. But then when we say things loudly, it feels very powerful and very strong, and it feels very assertive. Also, this helps us direct emotions. I hope that this helps you be able to convey those emotions that you're trying to put down through music so that you can heal. I hope you have a mentally healthy rest of your day. This has been Imanni from Imanni Music. See you later.